Good morning, my dear class 7 students. Today we are going to discuss the remaining questions from right-angled triangles using Pythagoras Theorem. Today we will be winding up this chapter of triangle and its properties. Let's see the remaining questions from this topic. The first question and the very important question from this chapter. A tree is broken at a height of 5 meters from the ground and its top touches the ground at a distance of 12 meters from the base of the tree. Find the original height of the tree. Okay, students, now assume this was a tree, that is AC was a tree. Here this tree stood like this, but at a point B it broke and it touched the ground at a distance of 12 meters. The total length was ABC. At B it broke and the C point touched the ground at a distance of 12 meters. So you will get a right-angled triangle like this. Now, as you see, this is a right-angled triangle. You can apply Pythagoras property. What is Pythagoras property? The sum of the square on the legs is equal to the square of the hypotenuse. How will you write in the statement form? AB square plus AC square is equal to BC square. Now we'll see. 5 square plus 12 square is BC square. So what is 5 square? 5 into 5, 25. What is 12 square? 12 into 12, 144. What is 25 plus 144? It is 169. Now you have to find the square root of 169. Students, do you remember how to find the prime factorization of a number? But here there is a problem. 169 is the square of 13. You know that 13 is a prime number. So it's better for you to study that 169 is the square of 13. Study it by heart, children. 13 square is 169. Once again, repeat after me. 13 square is equal to 169. So, BC is 13 meter. Since BC square, BC into BC is 169, BC is equal to 13 meter. So, what will be the height of the tree? The tree was this much tall. It broke and became into two pieces, AB and BC. BC is 13 centimeter, AB is 5 centimeter. So what is the total length of the tree? 5 meter plus 13 meter, that is 18 meter. So the original height of the tree is equal to 18 meter. Students, take care of this question very carefully. You will have a question from this part. Okay. Next question. Find the perimeter of the rectangle whose length is 40 centimeter and a diagonal is 41 centimeter. Now what happened? What is the formula for perimeter of a rectangle? It is 2 into length plus breadth. But what is given to you? You have the length 40 centimeter and the length of the diagonal is 41 centimeter. You don't have the breadth. So, it is your duty to find the breadth. Now, listen children. Can you see a right-angled triangle here? A, B, C. Yes, this is a right-angled triangle. Why? Because angle B is 90 degree. So, triangle A, B, C is a right-angled triangle. If it is a right-angled triangle, you will apply Pythagoras Theorem. Isn't it? Now, can you tell me how we will apply Pythagoras theorem? AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Once again, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Now, which one is unknown to you? BC square is unknown to you. So, you will subtract 41 square minus 40 square. Now, tell me how will you find 41 square? Is it 41 into 2? Students, don't do that. 41 square is 41 into 41. That is 1681. 40 square is 40 into 40, 1600. Subtract it, you will get 81. So, BC is square root of 81. That is 9. 9 into 9 is 81. So, BC is equal to 9. Now, what happened? You got the breadth as 9. Length is 40. Breadth is 9. So, you know how to find the perimeter of the rectangle. Perimeter of the rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. Substituting the values, you will get the perimeter as 98 centimeter. That is 2 into 40 plus 9, 49. 2 into 49 is equal to 98 centimeter. Is that clear, children? So, what is the new concept you learned here? The diagonal of the rectangle will form a right angle triangle. Let's see the next question. The diagonals of a rhombus measure 16 centimeter and 30 centimeter. Find its perimeter. Now tell me, what is a rhombus? Rhombus is a quadrilateral. That is, rhombus is a four-sided polygon having 4 equal sides. 4 equal sides. That means PQ is equal to QR. QR is equal to RS. RS is equal to PS. Okay, all the 4 sides of a rhombus are equal. Now, you have another property. What is that property? Can you see the diagonals here? Which are the diagonals? PR and QS. The diagonals of this rhombus are PR and QS. They bisect each other at 90 degrees. What do you mean by that? Students, the diagonals is given as 16 centimeters, isn't it? PR is 16 centimeter. QS is 30 centimeter. Now you can see intersecting each other at point O. Diagonals in rhombus bisect each other at 90 degree. That means PR and QS cross each other at 90 degree angle. Okay. PR and QS cross each other at 90 degree. And another peculiarity is when they cross each other, they are equally divided into 2. If PR is 16, PO will be 8 and OR will be 8. If QS is 30, SO will be 15, OQ will be 15. So, 2 properties. The diagonals of a rhombus cross each other at 90 degrees and they are divided into 2 equal parts. Okay. So, PO equal to PR by 2. I told you it's 8 centimeter and SO is equal to 15 centimeter. Now, can you see a right angled triangle here? POQ. Now, POQ. This is the right triangle. Now, 8 centimeter and 15 centimeter are the legs of this triangle. So, which is the hypotenuse? PQ is the hypotenuse. Once again, listen children. POQ is a right angled triangle. PO and OQ are the legs of the right angled triangle. and PQ is the hypotenuse. PQ is the hypotenuse. So what will you do? You will apply Pythagoras property there. We'll apply Pythagoras property there. So what will happen? PO square plus OQ square is equal to PQ square. Once again, repeat after me. PO square plus OQ square is equal to PQ square. So what will happen? 8 square plus 15 square is equal to PQ square. Now 8 square is 64, 15 square is 225. 64 plus 225 is 289. Here also, as I told in the case of 13, 289 is the square of 17. You know 17 is a prime number, so you cannot prime factorize 289 until you get 17. 289 will not go in 2, 3, 5, 7 and all. Here 289 will go only in 17. So you should by heart it. 17 square is 289. 17 square is 289. So we learned two sets of squares, that is 13 square is 169. 17 square is 289. I told you all the sides of a rhombus are equal. So you got PS is equal to 17 centimeter. PS is equal to 17 centimeter or PQ is equal to 17 centimeter. So how will you find the perimeter? All the sides are equal. So 4 into 17, 68 centimeter. Perimeter of a rhombus is 16 centimeter. So whichever questions we dealt today is very important. You can expect any one question from this topic. So by this, I wind up this chapter, triangle and its properties. Students, this is a very important chapter. You have triangles even in 10th standard. So understand the concept clearly and do the problems, revise it, practice it. Thank you. Have a nice day.